Hey guys, welcome back. Now, with Cathie Wood being one of the top investment managers in the world, it's always good to keep an eye on what she's been doing with her money. Now, you probably already know about the Ark ETFs. However, this won't be about any of the ETFs. This is the entire company portfolio, Ark Investment Management, and it has over $42 billion of assets under management. And every 3 months, Cathie has to submit to regulators what she's been buying and selling. So this will be an overview of the portfolio itself, as well as the top 3 buys and sells for the quarter, and this being Q3. So we'll be looking at the full $42 billion Ark Investment Management portfolio, the top 3 buys for the quarter, what is she most bullish on, the top 3 sells for the quarter, what is she most bearish on, and then we'll finish with the updates on her Bitcoin and Ethereum positions. As always, if you do enjoy anything in the video, then drop a like, always appreciated. Okay, so as investors, it's always good to keep an eye on how the best investors allocate their money. So, want a summary of what Cathie Wood's been doing over the last 3 months? Let's take a look. So this is the full Ark Investment Management portfolio, and it's a $42 billion portfolio and made up of 300 positions. Now, as it would take hours to go through this, what I'll do is just group together the top 10. So these are Cathie Wood's biggest bets right now, and then we'll group together the other 290. So her largest position, and everyone knows Tesla is Cathie Wood's biggest bet at 7%. 5% is in Teladoc, 4% in Coinbase, 4% in Unity Software, 4% in Roku, 4% in Square, 3% UiPath, 3% Shopify, and 3% in Zoom. And then the other 290 positions makes up everything else. And this is how the portfolio looks in its entirety. And as far as position size, this ranges. Tesla is just over 3 billion, and position 10, Zoom, just over 1 billion, and the rest making up about 27 billion. Now, moving on to Cathie Wood's biggest buys for the quarter. So, of the 5,000 different American stocks that she could choose from, these are her top 3. And the biggest one is Coinbase. She added 1.4 million shares and increased her position by 24%. Number 2, UiPath, 12 million shares and doubled up her position. So we'll take a look at UiPath in just a second. And then number 3, Zoom, 750,000 shares, increasing by 25%. So let's take a quick look at the price charts. First up, we have Coinbase, and Coinbase actually IPO'd this year in April, and this was quickly followed by a big crash in the crypto market. So this actually came down about 30%. So this portfolio data is from Q3, which runs from about July, August, and September. So this is where she made her big purchase in Coinbase. And then as you can see, she's pretty much timed this perfectly, as since then, Coinbase has been on a huge run, up almost 50%. So I can tell you, Cathie Wood is very pleased with Coinbase right now, and she's up about 50%. Her second biggest pick was UiPath, and for anyone who doesn't know what this is, they basically make software robots. So picking up all the manual work so people don't have to be robots. And year to date, this stock is down 22%. So I think she sees a huge opportunity here. And let's take longer term, 5-year, and even the 5-year performance is down 30%. So she believes UiPath is a bargain. And her third biggest buy was Zoom Video Communications. And again, Zoom has had a terrible year. It's down 27%. Now, zooming out a bit to the 5-year. So because of the lockdowns and the pandemic, Zoom did have an awesome 2020, and it shot up over 700%. And since then, it's now come down over 50%. So she believes Zoom is a big buy right now. Now on to Cathie Wood's biggest sells for the quarter. What has she been most bearish on? And the biggest sell was Tesla, a reduction of almost 30%. Number 2 is Square, a reduction of almost 25%. And then number 3, Shopify, almost 25%. And a quick look at the price charts. And Tesla is such an amazing stock to keep track of. This year, it's up 42%. It's always in the headlines. We had Michael Burry shorting Tesla. We recently had Elon selling his shares in Tesla, causing a big 16% drop. And the 5-year, incredible performance at 2,700%. And Cathie Wood sold 30% Q3, so that's going to be July, August, and September. And unfortunately, this was really bad timing, because even if she sold at the highest point here, she missed out on the 58% run, and it's currently still up 33%. Second biggest reduction was Square, and year to date, Square's been very choppy, just pretty much up and down the whole year, finishing the whole year at just a 2% increase. And its 5-year has been incredibly strong, 1,700% increase, but it has been struggling ever since about February. So I think taking profits on Square is probably a really good shout. And final big sell was Shopify. Shopify year to date has done really well, up almost 53%. 5-year performance, an incredible 3,700%. And as far as timing goes, Q3, so July, August, and September. Unfortunately, Cathie Wood has missed out on this big run, and Shopify has been setting all-time highs. So looks like she missed out on the big Tesla run and the big Shopify run. And when it comes to her Bitcoin and Ethereum positions, this is how it looked for the quarter. She invests through the Grayscale trusts. So this is the Grayscale Bitcoin and Grayscale Ethereum trust. A small 7% reduction in Bitcoin and a small increase in Ethereum, 0.3%. So it looks like she's been ramping up her crypto exposure through Coinbase. As investors, it's always good to keep track on what the top money managers have been doing with their own money. And we just took a look at the full $42 billion portfolio of Ark Investment Management. These are the current top 10 stocks in the portfolio. These are Cathie Wood's best of the best, and the ones she'll be keeping a very close eye on. Cathie's biggest buys for the quarter were Coinbase, UiPath, and Zoom. Her biggest sells were Tesla, Square, and Shopify. When it came to crypto, she had a small 7% reduction to Bitcoin, a very small increase to Ethereum, and it looks like she's building her crypto exposure through Coinbase, as she believes that digital wallets are going to be huge. So there you are, guys. Hope you enjoyed. What do you think about the latest moves of Cathie Wood? Let me know below. For now, just to say, if you did enjoy anything in the video, then drop a like, and a big thank you to everyone who does. If you haven't yet subscribed, then click below and join us. We've got some great videos coming up that you don't want to miss. Okay, cheers guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.